This video is about easy setup of various features of your watch with your smartphone, like alarms, interval training timer, world time, notification for calls, emails, and social media. You can specify up to 4 alarms and use multi-alarms as schedule reminders. Set the interval training timer and engage in interval training. Set up world time and easily switch to the local time when traveling abroad. Get notification on your watch about calls, emails, social media, and more. And see a preview of what you have received. For more tutorial videos, please subscribe Gshock Middle East and Africa YouTube channel and like our videos.